Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Donaldsonville, local and long-distance movers near me. Here comes the most difficult part: long-distance shifts with toddlers. Hiring a professional mover like 3 Movers is always a good option. Moreover, certain permissions and licenses are required to complete the shift while making a long-distance move. So if you don't have any previous experience, it can become difficult to gather certifications alongside packing or shifting. However, our moving firm is already certified and has a good working relationship with the local federal association, so they have provided us with the essential permits to complete a long-distance shift. It's human nature that we believe shifting to a local locality is easy and does not require you to hire a professional. However, it is equally important for you to hire a team of professional movers like 3 Movers, even if you're moving within a city. Our firm not only provides moving services, but also offers packing, loading, and resettling of our belongings as well. Plus, we provide same-day shifting services. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Donaldsonville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.